Hello.
Hey.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Tara.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff, a show in which we try stuff for the first time.
And today is a magical day. We're gonna go back in time and relive our childhood making Shrinky Dinks.
Making merch time.
Shrinky Dinks!
Color in the Shrinky Dink, cut out the Shrinky Dink, then random mix it in right before your eyes. The Shrinky Dink shrinks right down to size.
Like magic.
Fabulous.
Fantastic. Relive our childhood. I never made shrink. I've never.
never did?
No, I've never. This is a try for me.
Oh.
I don't even have any idea how this works out, so we'll see. But we're gonna make Shrinky Dinks, and we're going to make buttons, pins that are merch for us. It's a very high class.
Super, like, official, lots of quality.
Tara made those.
I did. I designed these. Okay, so this is our pineapple. That is our mascot. That's Winchester. Next thing, and then if you don't know about this, the shush secret time, they have called themselves the Quiet Army. That's when we go live once a week. If you're not going live with us, what are you doing Thursdays at noon Pacific Standard Time?
Anyway, let's get right into this. Okay, so I did buy both the Rough and Ready that's already scratched up, and then also the Crystal Clear pack. We're gonna try them both out. Do you wanna do Crystal Clear while I'm doing a Rough and Ready?
Ooh, let's do that. Let's compare the two.
So you have to use markers with that. But with the Rough and Ready, you can use colored pencils as well. You can trace on the slick slide of the plastic with a permanent alcohol-based ink pen and color on the opposite rough side. Dots of paint create dimension.
Ooh.
Painted pieces resemble wood. Ooh, what?
Ooh.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah, there's like lots of options.
You do that, then you cut it out, and then you bake it in the oven 1 to 3 minutes. That's it. Okay, so we're basically tracing.
Okay, cool. All right.
I think I'm gonna trace with the black marker. I'll do a pineapple over here too then. I'll just do it up in the corner, and we'll cut it out, and we'll try those first.
Got it. Experiment number 1.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Ooh.
It did say trace on the clear side, and then color on this side.
Oh.
I didn't listen. Well, let's see what happens.
Is that a sound that bothers you?
No.
Okay, cool. Before I start having fun making that sound, 'cause I love making that sound. Bam! He's adorable.
I'm excited.
Now let's go make him small.
Because they're gonna look so different.
I
Like the
know.
colors are so different. Mine are very matte.
Yeah.
See,
Ooh, juicy. All right, we're gonna go heat the oven. We're gonna shrink these down, and we're gonna come back with results.
Okay, that's done. We did it. I forgot to film it because I held the camera in my hand, but I didn't push the button. So.
They turned out adorable though. They're so cute, and I'm so excited, and we're figuring out a process, a mode of operation. So now we have a plan-ish.
Well, kind of. So we do realize that they look different in the pencil and the marker and the Rough and Ready and the clear. So we're gonna try one of each out and figure out which ones we like better on which paper with which kind of color, and then we'll start.
Who's the cutest kitty that's ever been on a Shrinky Dink?
Bring these to CatCon.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Winchester, you're so cute. Oh, the baby. This is my little baby one. Look at him. Look at the baby. Oh.
I don't know if you like your cat enough.
What's wrong with his face right here? Okay, now let's get some color on there. He's gonna be so cute. And the baby. Oh. Him's a precious bug.
This whole part of the video is just you talking to the cat.
Oh, I miss my kitty already. I want to go home. I want to go snuggle this bug. His little orange nose, though. I don't know what this is gonna do once
you shrink it and dink it?
yeah, because I did all the black on the other side.
Oh.
I think I need to go through and do black again over the black. So Winchester-wise, I think we want like the color pencil, doing the backwards
Yes.
thing, because that dimension looks,
my
you guys are not
gosh.
going to be able to see this, but
Yeah.
this is adorable.
We will do an insert shot now.
Pineapple-wise, I think it can go either way. This needs to be a lighter green. Next thing, I definitely like better in the marker.
Yeah. I like it in the marker, and I think we have
And-
to change the design a bit because
Yeah.
it didn't work as well as I'd hoped it would.
Quiet Army, definitely need to still go a lighter color.
Yeah, the colors, like, once it shrinks down, whatever you thought the color was, it really intensifies, especially greens. We're noticing greens get really dark. I kind of think the Rough and Ready, because they're gonna go on people's clothes, how clear this is. It's so pretty if we were making charms for people, but because it's going up against a jacket or something, like potentially a black jacket,
Yeah.
it looks so much better.
So we're gonna just do everything on Rough and Ready?
Yep, I think Rough and Ready. I think for what we're using it for, the Rough and Ready is the way to go. So if you're making pens for clothing and stuff, definitely go, I think, Rough and Ready and pencil. This stuff is so much fun. You should go get some and make some of your own things. Okay, now we just got to make a bunch of these.
These are fantastic.
We cracked it. We got it. They turned out so, you can't see them, they're too small, but they look so good.
Oh my God, I'm so excited about these little Winchesters.
Yes.
So we're gonna put pins on the back of this, and this is our merch. I got this glue. It's called the Ultimate Glue, Eileen's original multi-surface. It's supposed to go metal and plastic, so I figured that was probably the best. No, I love it.
It's great. Oh, these are amazing. This was super fun. I want to make everything out of this plastic now, and all kinds of things and gifts for people and stuff.
Yeah, I mean the NeuroGum one. I'm just like, everybody I know is gonna get one that like is their thing.
Yeah, done. Birthdays, done. This was super fun. I love the Shrinky Dinky thing, so I highly recommend getting some of this and making some fun projects. I am looking forward to doing this with our good friend Julius this weekend. Okay, so let's end this. My name's Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and hey, visit the merch store. It doesn't exist yet. It doesn't exist yet. Don't go looking for it. It's not a thing yet.
Natalie and Tara pins. Collect all 4. Try Stuff merch not available in stores or in southeastern Texas. Natalie and Tara pins are a choking hazard and should not be put in mouths, fed to pets, or thrown at weddings. Pins should only be worn under strict government supervision. Shrinky Dinks and Alex brands do not endorse this merch channel or its host. Shrinky Dinks. Plastic that's fun.